Today I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks in the Paradime IDE. If you're not familiar, Paradime is a cost-effective platform where analytics teams can manage every aspect of their DBT lifecycle. And this mini tutorial should give you a better feel for what the platform offers and how it's useful. Right now I'm in the Paradime IDE and I'm in the process of developing a new model. And before I run this model into production, I can click this preview icon and I can preview all the data in real time. The default rows in the preview is 100, but I can shorten that to as few as 1 if I want to. Beyond previewing the whole model, you can actually preview a specific CTE within the model. This is super useful when debugging. And the last tip I'll share about the preview is this compile SQL feature. So here I can see what the compiled version of my whole code is. This is the compiled version of my CTE, but I'll just click out of that highlight and preview the data again. And now I see the full compiled version of my model. And it shows the code from my reference tables and macros. And also some people, including myself, don't like having the preview screen on the right. You can actually just drag this icon to the bottom and you can do all your preview work there. So those are my Paradime IDE tips for the day, and I hope you find them useful.